What's up, everybody? Like the title says, we are live with the new tripod. And I told you guys we'd be getting some more equipment. We're gonna get some GoPros, get some really good shots on the edge of the surfboard. Like, wouldn't it be cool if I had a GoPro up here? You know what I mean? Put a GoPro up here and capture ox. I think that would be a really great shot. So, what's up? Who we got here? Kate Levinston. How are you? I'm not sure how to say that. No, I was just saying, I got a new tripod right here. And soon we're going to get the GoPro on the tip here. And I think that would be a really cool shot. Get ox on the surfboard and get the GoPro. So, you know, one thing at a time, one little thing at a time. So thanks for joining. I'm waving at you now. And yeah, let's do some tricks. We're getting set up here. It'll take 5 or 10 minutes to get fully set up. But we're live on Instagram right now. This is TheOxCoxShow. Let's check it out. Let me know how you like my new tripod. I'm going to bring it down closer too at some point. Right now the tide's really low. So the water's right here. So I'm going to leave it up here for now. But eventually I'll be able to take it down the beach and get some really close-up shots and everything. I think it'll be awesome. What you doing, huh? Oh, I found a ball out there. We didn't bring that. I got it. Ox can rip up a toy in like 5 seconds. He just found that here. And Ox is only like 50 pounds. I have to buy toys that are for like 100-pound dogs. Hey, Dusty, what's up? Oscar, what's up? What's going on, Dusty? Yeah, no, I was just telling them I got this new tripod. And eventually I want to get a GoPro, hook it to the end right here. And I think if we put Ox up on there, we'd get some really good shots. But yeah, other than that, I was just babbling. He found this ball right here. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. He found this ball. Someone left this ball. He can chew it up in 5 seconds. Like, he only weighs 50 pounds. But I have to get toys that are intended for. Hey, what? Oh, see, we're trying out a new tripod. Excuse me. See, this is an experiment. I got this new tripod. See, this is what we're doing. We're learning. Gonna have to widen that out a little bit. Here we go. Yeah, we got a new tripod. We got some GoPros on the way. But yeah, no, you can buy these toys specifically for dogs that are like 100 pounds. That's what I have to get for Ox, because otherwise he'll tear these things up. These little ducks I got right here, I'll probably go through 1 duck per week. But anyway, let's get to some tricks. Sorry about that. Hopefully you caught most of that. Let's see here. I got to work on this tripod situation. I beg your pardon. But otherwise, it's beautiful out here. It's beautiful out here. We got some great weather. And there's actually some waves. I guess, let me know if I'm not in the frame. But yeah, we got some decent waves. So let's keep it going, right? Hopefully this tripod will cooperate. There we go. I think that's going to work. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
We're live on Instagram right now.
Okay.
Check us out. We have a live audience and a in real life audience as well. Hey, Tay Marie, what's up? You got here just in time. We're about to do some tricks. All right. I'm gonna shut up and quit talking right now. How you guys doing? I like what frame is perfect. Thank you, Dusty. Thank you for the feedback. Okay, great. Yeah, I just got this tripod, and like I said, we're gonna get some other equipment. So thank you for joining us. We're just having fun, okay? Not a lot of waves right now. What's up, Riley? What's up? Not a lot of waves right this second, but it can change any minute. Like out here in the harbor, 10 minutes from now, they could be just rolling up here one after the other. So stay with us. Hello. What's up, y'all?
Hey, how's it going?
We're live on Instagram.
Cool.
Check us out.
Hey, that was the cutest thing.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. I don't want to show their faces, but we have IRL spectators as well. Anyway, yeah, there's not a lot of waves right now, but you never know, it could change any second. Oh, and we waxed up the surfboard before we came, so he's definitely gripping on there a lot better. Last time I was out here, he's slipping and sliding all over the place, so it's waxed up. Live on Instagram. Check us out. Yeah, the weather is perfect. Hey, cheers, Dusty. Thank you for stopping by. We're just out here having fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's do some more. Hope you can see it okay. If not, you gotta let me know now. Maybe I should go more this way. Probably. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I think I've almost ran everyone off here now. Sometimes when the waves are small, it gets like that. But we could have waves tumbling in any second now. See, there's some little ones out there. Yeah, we're just having fun with our new tripod. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe if you're not already. That's his name.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, Ox is over there doing his best trick. Not gonna put that one on TV, on Instagram. Okay, I think he's finished. See him in the background. We got some boats out here. Look at that. It's beautiful out here. We're on the East Coast, so the sun's going down any minute now, but let's keep going. Let's do some more. Check it out, we're live on Instagram. Go out. Woo. Check this out. Not a lot of waves today, but like I said, it changes. They come and go. Ox is having fun. And sometimes out here, guys, you can see dolphins. For real, like a lot of times, actually. So you might see some of those. Ox has been within like 6 feet of a dolphin one time. Seriously, he freaked out. He kind of looks like a dolphin too. He's like the same color. But anyway, let's keep doing the tricks and whatnot. Maybe some people will join, maybe not. We're just really experimenting with our new technology here. And that's why I have sand all over my camera. It's okay. Let's do a few more, okay? Shall we? Shall we, Ox?
So cool. So cool, I wish I had a camera.
We're live on Instagram right now.
I know, we're live here and now. It doesn't matter about a camera or digital.
We're having fun.
How you doing, buddy?
Have to check us out on Instagram. Put all of our good tricks on Instagram right here.
You brought joy and happiness to my life.
Live on Instagram right now.
This is so cool.
Doing the trick.
It's good. Check this out. Check this out.
Good boy. Pretty good, right?
Thank you, sir. My name is Vince. I'll see you later.
Cheers. Have a great night.
That's the thing. I didn't really care.
You see me dancing around and no earbuds, you'll know why I'm dancing because
We're out here every day, so check us out. Today we've been out here twice today.
what's your name?
My name is Sterling, and this is Ox. Ox.
Ox.
Yeah, you see it on the board? Yeah, check us out. We're out here every day.
Thank you.
Live on Instagram right now. You can see he's got his Instagram there.
TheOxCoxShow.
Okay. Got a little more daylight left. Try to catch a few more waves. Ox is being a good boy. Over there, I just found a fishing hook. It looks like a fish, like a fish head with all these hooks coming out of it. Something like that could be really dangerous. I'm just glad I found it first. Whew. But yeah, we probably got another 20 minutes of good sunlight left, what it's worth. So we'll just keep going. If you're with me, let me know in the chat. What's up? How y'all doing?
Hey.
Hello there. Just doing some tricks for some friends on the internet. Read. See that? Y'all like that? What's up, guys? Just live with the new tripod. Thanks for joining. We're wrapping it up now. This is our second time out here today. We're gonna try to start doing this twice a day. And it's just lovely this time of day. It's beautiful. It really is. So I'm glad you got to hang out with us. We're gonna do a couple more. Let me know if there's anyone still rocking with us in the live chat. Yeah, we got time for a couple more. Check it out. Where's the doctor? Dog is surfing with it. These are the secret too. These little ducks right here. He goes through like one of these a week. If he gets his mouth on it for more than like 5 minutes, it's done. But it's a great beach fetching toy.
You need a big tanker to come by, give you some surf.
We're out here twice a day, so maybe catch us tomorrow.
No, seriously.
What's that?
Ride a tanker road?
Sure you can.
That's on the
Yeah, if you're brave enough, I suppose. Sure. How y'all doing?
How are you?
No. Let's go. Hey, y'all just joined at the end. We're finishing up. We got some IRL visitors here and some people. Hey, wave. Liza, what's up? J Fred, how you doing? Thank y'all for joining. We're out of here. Catch us tomorrow. We're gonna be out here in the morning and probably again in the afternoon, just like today, twice a day. So, hey Ox, come. You gotta say goodbye, Ox. Ox, buddy. They want to say goodbye to you. Come here. He doesn't. Ox isn't very good at goodbyes, but we can give it a shot. Nope. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I mean? He's not very good at this thing. On behalf of Vox, goodbye, y'all. Thanks for joining us. We had fun.